My name is Kristen Hayes. I have lived in Washington a long time, but this is my first real house purchase. I think it was through one of the fairly standard sites, Angie's List or Home Advisor, but I interviewed a lot of contractors, and in the end it was really just meeting them that kind of solidified that they were the ones I wanted to work with. So you definitely have to meet people, but the reviews help online. Let me just put it this way, of all the contractors that I interviewed, they were hands down the right combination of very clearly a commitment to quality, but also they really treated me with respect, which was something that was very important to me. And I felt like there were a lot of people who thought, here's this girl who just bought this house and she has no idea what she's doing, and that's okay, I'm going to tell her what to do. And they really worked with me, and they were incredibly kind and gracious and respectful, and that meant a huge amount to me. So yeah, so it was all those things, the right combination of price and talent, and then just good company. Whole house, actually. Yeah, well above and beyond, I think, even what we originally had talked about with them. We actually added to the scope once we got started. So yeah, it was really a whole house renovation. So I'm not sure if you can actually see it. Maybe you can see it behind me, but I think it's the backsplash, actually, and that's something that that I had picked out a different tile for that one, and I went into the showroom just a little bit before just about when construction was going to begin, and Sever, one of the other colleagues at Mega, said, you know, I just got this new book. It's got some really good stuff. You want to take a look? And I did, and again, this is where the good company came in, right? Because we were kind of giggling about, oh, this one is so cool, this one's so cool, and the truth is it's beautiful, right? And it totally pulled the room together, and yeah, it was all sort of Sever's instigation, but it was also the teamwork of sort of picking it out, and I really like it, and I get a ton of compliments on it. So if I had to pick one design feature, that would be it. I feel incredibly lucky that these guys were with me. They finished on time. They even finished ahead of time. They were really lovely about working with me to get ready in time for a housewarming party that I was planning, and then I had to cancel that housewarming party and move it back. And even so, they're like, that's okay, that's all right. We knew what we were working towards. So yeah, so they were great to work with.